Be honest with me, do you like your smile? Or you feel embarrassed when you laugh? My name is Vigo, and today, I will show you an extraordinary mouth detox that can make you appear 10 years younger. Now pay attention to this. According to studies, a beautiful white smile has a direct effect on successful interpersonal interactions, both socially and professionally, and gives you a 58% greater chance of being hired for your dream job and 53% more likely to earn a generous salary. But not only that, a recent survey found those with whiter teeth are twice as likely to land a second date, because it can make you look up to 10 years younger and 20% more attractive. So now that you know this impact directly on your life and work, how could you have the fully radiant smile you desire and deserve? Well, most teeth whitening solutions on the market, like toothpastes and mouthwashes, contain bleaching agents packed with harmful chemicals and toxins that do more harm to your smile and health. They can damage you because they only focus on external yellowing, which are the surface stains your teeth get over time from wine, coffee, juices, and soft drinks. A brand new 2019 study found out that even whitening strips can damage your tooth dentin. Researchers found the hydrogen peroxide concentration in the popular whitening strips wears down dentin quickly, which makes your teeth darker and less appealing. So what truly works to get your pearly white smile? Instead of wasting time with low-grade whitening kits or expensive visits to the dentist, you can actually whitewash your smile by treating it safely and effectively at the source, totally chemical-free. But how do these things work? The best solution is completely natural, backed by science, and works so quickly and easily that you'll have a stronger, healthier, and whiter smile in less than 16 minutes. What you may love most about this fast whitening solution is that it's 100% portable. It won't matter if you didn't take care of your smile when you were younger. The V3 LED from the Primal Life Organics can repair, restore, and whiten teeth at the surface level, and also on the deeper layers of the tooth, where most of the discoloration takes place. You will have everything you need to upgrade your smile in just minutes. No batteries or extra trays needed. It's really that easy. This system is completely hassle-free. Plus, you won't ever have to use harmful chemicals, icky toxins, awful-tasting bleaches, or bulky trays. By exposing your mouth to a special LED light frequency, you can eliminate bacteria that cause internal yellowing, not just on your teeth, but in your gums too. The red light heals the dentin layer, and the blue one helps you to get bright white teeth that make you love smiling again. And here is how you will recover your confidence and personality. Simply apply the real white gel to your teeth, insert the soft flexible silicone LED teeth whitener, set your timer for 16 minutes, and watch the magic happen before your eyes. Say goodbye to surface discoloration from years of drinks. This system is 100% natural, safe, and effective, and will give a wider smile in just minutes when paired with the LED lights. That's right, years of pent-up frustration about your teeth and insecurities about your smile undone in just a few short days when you order the Primal Life Organics LED teeth whitening system today. A white smile leads to more success, love, friendship, trust, and so much more. Besides all that, numerous celebrities are also enjoying this simple yet incredibly powerful teeth whitening treatment. And thousands of clients are very happy with this system that can last 15 years. What are you waiting for? Click now on the link on the description to purchase your natural teeth whitener and get an immediate leg up on your social and financial status. I hope next time I see you, I can compliment your teeth. Goodbye.